Welcome to the Lincoln-powered parachute field. This briefing is required for all pilots before receiving a gate code and operating from this site. Please watch carefully, review the Operations Guidelines document located on our website, and complete the online waiver to confirm your understanding and release of liability. We are extremely fortunate to have dedicated access to this flying area in the southwest quadrant of the Lincoln Regional Airport, arranged by pilots before us. This location is recognized on aeronautical charts for powered parachute and powered paraglider activity. And maintaining this privilege and access depends on all of us flying responsibly, safely, and courteously to ensure we are known as good citizens of the local aeronautical, landowner, and city communities. Let's start with the location and layout of the field. The field is located at the southwest corner of Lincoln Regional Airport, or Carl Harder Field, in Lincoln, California. It is a non-towered field at an elevation of 121.4 feet. The field ICAO designation is KLHM, or FAALID code LHM. When driving, the field entrance is off Airport Road, just north of Nicholas Road. The blue outline on the map shows the LPPF boundary. The takeoff and landing zone is located near the center of the field. For orientation, north is at the top of the screen, with Highway 65 forming the western edge of our outbound corridor. The runway and main airport areas are to the east. During World War II, the airport was Lincoln Air Force Auxiliary Field and was an auxiliary training airfield for Mather Army Airfield. Our flight operations today are from the remnants of the original macadam runway used by the Air Force before the general aviation runways replaced them. We use a left-hand traffic pattern contained fully within the area indicated in yellow. This pattern, along with our arrival and departure corridor, is limited to 500 feet AGL maximum per the Operations Guidelines. KLHM is a busy airport. Always check overhead and around you before initiating your takeoff roll. Once airborne, join the established counterclockwise pattern. Maintain spacing with other aircraft and stay below 500 feet. AGL while inside the pattern. The central operating area is a roughly 500-foot diameter circle that allows takeoffs and landings directly into the wind, regardless of wind direction. Do not cross the chain link fence to the east of LPPF that separates the field from runway 33/15. Please remember, no aerobatics are permitted in the pattern, within the LPPF boundaries, or in the arrival and departure corridor. Now let's cover arrival and departure from the field. All arrivals and departures use the designated westbound entry and exit corridor, shown here in green. This corridor extends from the field to the Highway 65 bypass. While in the corridor, remain below 500 feet and stay to the right to avoid conflict with inbound or outbound traffic. When you reach Highway 65, you may turn north, west, or south. After leaving the corridor, maintain a 1-mile separation from runway 15/33 at all times. This protects both powered parachute and paraglider activity, as well as general aviation aircraft operating at the airport. This field is located close to general aviation operations. It is strongly recommended that all aircraft monitor Common Traffic Advisory frequency 123.0 and make standard position calls. Your location, your intention, and your action. Avoid flying near the airport runway fence line. Check the windsock before every flight and fly only in conditions appropriate for your skill level. Duck hunting season runs October through February. Avoid all wetlands and ponds during that time. Several hunting facilities are present in the area, and we risk disrupting wildlife and have received past complaints. Night operations are not allowed, and visibility and cloud clearance requirements apply under FAR 103. As a good neighbor practice, please maintain 1,000 feet of horizontal or vertical separation from people, structures, and livestock whenever possible. Now let's cover some rules while on the ground and field etiquette. First, park only in the designated areas next to the shipping containers. No overnight parking is allowed unless part of a city and club approved event. Pets of any type are not permitted on the field. Spinning props and pets don't mix well. Children must remain with an adult in the parking area only. Remove all your trash, keep the area clean, and close the gate behind you every time you enter or leave. We share field access with the city and fire department training. The field is closed if there is a red lock on the gate or a yellow X placed in the center of the field. To fly at this field, you must complete the online waiver, review the operations guidelines, and acknowledge this briefing. First-time users must meet with a field coordinator. Contact information is on the website. When those steps are finished, you'll receive the current gate code. Do not share the gate code. If someone asks, direct them to a field coordinator. These rules are designed to ensure the continued safe operation of the field and strong relationship with the airport and community. Club dues. Basic maintenance of the field is required by the City of Lincoln, which owns the airport grounds. The goal is to only collect enough dues from members to cover the costs of continued operations. This includes the cost of on-site port potty, maintaining a mower, gas, replacement windsocks, and other routine field maintenance. We have 2 fee tiers based on frequency of usage. Full member for users with approximately 8 operations per year or more from the field, with a fee of $175 per year, or contributing member and students, occasional users, with a fee of $60 per year. Payment can be submitted via Venmo, Zelle, or directly to a field coordinator to receive your membership code. You will need to submit this code to complete the waiver and receive the gate code. The waiver, video review, and member code must be completed every year to maintain currency. Thank you for doing your part to protect this flying site. Your adherence to these procedures keeps the field safe, you safe, and supports our relationship with the City of Lincoln. By working together, we can ensure this unique resource remains available for years to come. Blue skies, and welcome to the Lincoln-powered Parachute Field.